Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a TikTok account. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app after downloading, and then below you can see there are 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, the inbox icon, and then your profile icon. Here you click on profile, and then you can choose however you wish to sign up for TikTok. You can choose your phone, email, Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter. Here I'm going to choose my phone or email. After typing your email, you click on next. And then you verify that you are not a robot. And then you create a password. You click on next. And then you type in your birthday date. After that, you click on next again. Okay. And then your account will be created on TikTok. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.